Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a formula column to change currency in Monday.com. This is incredibly useful if you're managing international transactions or working with multiple currencies, as it automatically converts amounts based on the currency you select. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First things first, navigate to your board in Monday.com. This is where all your project data lives, and we'll be adding a new column that handles currency conversion automatically. Once you're viewing your board, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a plus icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the menu where you can add various types of columns to your board. From the column types menu that appears, scroll through the options until you find formula. Click on it to select this column type. Formula columns are powerful because they let you create custom calculations based on other columns in your board, which is exactly what we need for currency conversion. Next, you'll be prompted to name your column, type in amount PHP or whatever your target currency is. This naming convention makes it clear that this column will display the converted amount in Philippine pesos or your chosen currency. Now comes the most important part. In the formula editor that appears, you'll need to type in a specific formula. Here's what you'll enter: I if diskir inc s equal USD dot amount if asterisk 59.13 if diskir inc if equal er dis amount if is if 69.03 if amount if. Let me break down what this formula does. It checks the currency column first. If the currency is set to USD, it multiplies the amount by 59.13, which is the conversion rate from US dollars to Philippine pesos. If the currency is EUR, it multiplies by 69.03 for euros to pesos. If it's neither, it just displays the original amount. Here's something crucial to note. The numbers I just mentioned, 59.13 and 69.03, are example conversion rates. You'll want to replace these with the current conversion rates for accuracy. Exchange rates fluctuate regularly, so make sure you're using up-to-date figures when you set this up. You can quickly check current rates online before entering them into your formula. Once you've entered the formula with your current conversion rates, click Set Formula. The system will save your formula and apply it to the entire column. You might see it processing for a moment as it applies the logic to any existing data in your board. Now it's time to test whether everything is working correctly. Start by entering an amount in your amount column. Let's say you type in 100, then move over to your currency column and select a currency from your dropdown, perhaps USD. As soon as you make that selection, the formula column you just created should automatically update and display the converted amount. In this case, if you're using the example rate, it would show 5,913 Philippine pesos. This automatic update is the magic of formula columns, saving you from manual calculations every single time. If the converted amount updates correctly, congratulations, you've successfully set up an automated currency converter in Monday.com. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.